Hello friends, my name is Rohit Verma and today I will teach you clock related problems which are generally asked in the aptitude test. So first of all, we will discuss some important points related to clocks. First one, the dial of a clock is divided into 60 equal parts called minute spaces. Number 2, the clock has two hands. One is called minute hand and the other is called hour hand. Minute hand gains 55 minutes over the hour hand in 60 minutes. It means when you notice in 60 minutes the minute hand will cover 55 minutes more than the hour hand. Fourth point, in every hour, both the hands coincide once. Fifth point, when the hands are at right angle to each other, they are 15 minutes apart. Sixth one, when the hands are in opposite direction, they are 30 minutes apart. Seventh, in a day, if you'll notice, the hands of a clock coincide 22 times. Eighth point, in a day, hands of a clock are at right angle 44 times. Last point, in a day, hands of a clock are in opposite direction 22 times. You have to consider these points and you have to learn these points if you want to solve the problems related to clocks in examination. There are some more tips. First one is to find the angle between two hands, apply the following rule. Actually, in these types of questions, you have to find out the angle between the hands of the clock. So in order to solve these kind of problems, the angle is 30h minus 6m. This rule is also called 36 rule. Here h is equal to total number of hours and m number of minutes. In order to understand the concept, you can consider this example. Find the angle between two hands when the time is 7:20. Answer should be 30h minus 6h. 30h is equal to 30 multiply h. H means total hours. So total hours is equal to 7 hours. I have written here 7 hours plus you have to convert these 20 minutes into hours and you can do so by dividing 20 by 60. So I have divided here 20 by 60 and added the result to 7. When you solve it, you will get answer 220 degrees. Now you have to calculate 6m. 6m is equal to 6 multiply these 20 minutes. So 6 multiply 20 minutes will give you 120 degree. So the angle is equal to 220 degrees minus 120 degrees and answer is 100 degrees. That's it. Similarly, we have another question. To find the time to cover the gain, multiply the gain with 12 by 11. To better understand the concept, consider this example. At what time between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock will the hands of a clock together? Now answer is, first of all you should notice that in this case the minute gap or the gain required to coincide the two hands is 10 minutes. You can see here 10 minutes. So time required is 12 by 11. In all the cases you have to multiply the gain required with 12 by 11. This is 12 by 11. So 12 by 11 multiply 10, answer is 120 upon 11. So hands coincides 120 by 11 minutes past 2. In this way, you can find the time required when the hands coincide, or when the hands are at right angle, or when the hands are at 180 degree. So these kind of questions can be solved by using these two tips only. Thank you very much. If you want to learn these kind of tips, you can consider my website www.geniuseagle.com.